Meet Sue, Colin, and Suzanne, who love to travel around the world. This summer, they planned a vacation on a beach. You won't believe how little they paid for such a fantastic location. Just $1. How did they do it? Simple. They signed up on ReliableHomeExchange.com. They knew that their lovely apartment in Mexico would be empty when they went on vacation. So they thought, why not exchange their apartment with a family looking to come to Europe? We can stay in their home while they stay in ours. But how do we find the right people to exchange with? Well, they found them on ReliableHomeExchange.com and had a look at thousands of stylish homes listed from around the world and couldn't wait to get started. They signed up by just paying $1 and started contacting members. Quickly, they found the perfect match, Anne and John, who always wanted to visit Mexico. They started communicating and set up an exchange agreement. Now all they had to do, count down the days so they can pack their bags and enjoy their amazing holidays in a home as nice as theirs and cut the thousands of dollars for accommodation. Thousands of exchanges are taking place throughout the world on ReliableHomeExchange.com. Whoever you are, whether you're looking for a new adventure, a couple with a tight budget, or a family needing space for kids to run around, we can help you find your dream vacation partner. Become part of the travel revolution and say goodbye to your hotel bills forever. Get started on ReliableHomeExchange.com today. Claim your special trial membership for only $1 and enjoy the benefits.